Buenos dias! Today we're going to talk about the two verbs that both mean to know, saber and conocer. So these verbs talk about different types of knowing. They express knowing facts, information, or how-to, or knowing, being acquainted with people or places. Now, let's take a look at this. We have to learn how to distinguish between these two. So before we even talk about the conjugations, we're going to talk about what is expressed with these verbs. So going down here, I explained that it expresses knowing facts, information, or how-to. That would be saber. An example, yo sé que Bill Gates es rico. I know that Bill Gates is rich. Javier sabe tocar la guitarra. Javier knows how to play the guitar. He knows how to. Now, here's something I want you to pay special attention to. The word que, meaning that. In English, oftentimes we will say, I know Bill Gates is rich. But technically that's incorrect because you have to have the word that, the conjunction. And the reason for this is, if you think back to Schoolhouse Rock, conjunction, junction, conjunction, junction, what's your function? Yeah, that. This is a conjugated verb, I know. And also, this is a conjugated verb. If you're going to have more than one conjugated verb in a sentence, you have to have appropriate punctuation or the conjunction. This thing right here, okay? I know that Bill Gates is rich. According to the language police, this is correct in English. So, here we're knowing facts or information, and down here we're knowing how to. But now, let's scroll down to conocer. Conocer expresses knowing people and being acquainted with places. Example, yo conozco a Juan Valdez. I know Juan Valdez. Mi madre conoce Chicago muy bien. My mom knows Chicago. She's acquainted with it, which means she's been there. Okay? Really important. Now, note. When expressing that you know a person, the personal a must be used. And if you think about it this way, I know Juan. Who do I know? Juan. Therefore, Juan is a direct object. If the direct object is a person, you must use the personal a. All right? Example, conozco a Luisa. Now let's take a look at the conjugations. Please pay special attention to the yo forms. I'm even going to make these bigger. Yo sé. Tú sabes. Él sabe. Nosotros sabemos. Vosotros sabéis. Ellos saben. So, the yo form, I know, yo sé, is irregular in the yo form. Be very careful because what the tendency is to treat it as a regular verb, and you're going to sound adorable. You'll sound just like a 3-year-old learning their language for the first time. Down here, the yo form is also irregular. Conozco. So repiten. Conozco. Conoces. Conoce. Conocemos. Conocéis. And conocen. Very good. Now, notice that the only irregular form is the yo form. The rest of the verb is just a regular ER verb. Okay? Alrighty, now we have some exercise. We have an exercise down here. And what I want you to do is go ahead and try this. Try this on your own and see if you can do it. And then we'll come back and we'll see how you do. So go ahead and pause the video right now in 3, 2, 1, pausa. Okay, here we are again. So let's take a look. So number 1, we have yo sé bailar. And why is it going to be saber? Because it's how to. I know how to dance. Number 2, ellos saben que el profe, which is short for profesor. If you want, I could go ahead and put profesor, está loco. This is fact and info. Número 3, nosotros conocemos la ciudad de Quito muy bien. Nosotros conocemos. This is knowing a place, being acquainted with a place. Vosotros conocéis a Manuel Noriega. Okay? This is knowing a person. Jose sabe que Pinochet es tonto. Now, Pinochet is a person. However, we're knowing a fact or information about the person. So it's fact information. Marco y tú sabes dónde está el baño? Again, it's going to be fact information. You know where the bathroom is. You know the fact. Yo conozco a Britney Spears. Well, knowing a person. Mis estudiantes saben que el examen va a ser fácil. Fact information. Susana conoce Chicago. Because it's a person. Jorge sabe toda la información para el examen. Factor info. Yo sé que mis amigos van a la fiesta. Again, factor information. Pablo y Alicia conocen Madrid muy bien. We know that Madrid is a place, so knowing the place, being acquainted with a place. Now, mind you, if you use conocer for a place, this implies that you've been there, that you're acquainted with it, okay? And the last one, ellos saben dónde vive José. They know where José lives. Again, where he lives is a place, but they know where he lives, which is a fact or info. Okay, I threw those in there just to give you a little bit different perspective on it. Okay, so there you have it. Saber and conocer. Buena suerte, and we'll talk soon. Adios.